Let's make a steak sandwich using DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce, also DivineKuizine sugar spice. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make these steak sandwiches. So I have some grass-fed ribeye steaks that I've already seasoned on one side with a lot of salt and pepper. And the two products that we're gonna be using today in this video is gonna be the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. This is gonna be the dressing that we're gonna go ahead and dress the sandwich with, and the DivineKuizine sugar spice, where we're gonna do some caramelized onions. So I can't wait for you guys to see that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with making our sandwiches. I have some hot olive oil in here, and we have it on medium-high heat. And then I'm gonna season the other side of the ribeye with some salt, kosher salt. My favorite seasoned pepper. And we're just gonna let that side get nice and golden brown and crisp. And then we're gonna flip them over and let them cook in the oven. Okay, so we got a nice golden brown. So now we're gonna go ahead and add butter. Garlic. Fresh thyme. And now we're going to put this in the oven at 425 degrees. Okay, so we're getting ready to caramelize some onions. So we have some white sliced onions here. Season them, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, butter, DivineKuizine sugar spice. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that. Sprinkle with some DivineKuizine sugar spice. And we're just gonna let all this caramelize together. And this will probably be about 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I just toasted the bread, just put a little bit of light butter on it and toasted it. And we're using ciabatta bread today. And then we let the steak rest. I like mine a little medium. So it's been resting for a while. So I'm gonna go in and slice it. So now we're getting ready to assemble the steak sandwich. Okay, now so we're getting ready. So we're getting ready to use some of the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce as a dressing. This is another way that you can use my DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. You know, it's good for potato salad. You know, it's good for sandwiches, hamburgers. I've showed you various ways how to use it. So today we're going to use it as our dressing. And our remoulade sauce, it's got a kind of a little kick to it, sweet, spicy, just an all-around good dressing that you can use. I'm gonna put a little more because you know I'm a little on the saucy side. So, and then I'll put some over here. So then I have some Havarti cheese. I like Havarti cheese, nice creamy cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and place 2 on that. And then I'm going to place I think I'm gonna go ahead and just melt this a little bit. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I've melted the bread with the Havarti cheese on it, with the remoulade sauce, DivineKuizine remoulade. And then we're gonna take some of our ribeye steak. We're gonna put that down like so. And like I said, I like mine a little more well done. I know some people like it medium well or medium or rare. So whatever your preference is, you make for your steak. And then we're gonna take those caramelized onions that I made earlier with the DivineKuizine sugar spice. And then for a little bit of freshness, we're gonna go ahead and use some baby arugula. To kind of break this up, let me put a little more remoulade sauce on top of the sandwich. And then we're gonna put the freshness of the arugula on top. There you have it, steak sandwich using two of my products, the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce and also the sugar spice. Now I'm getting ready to go in and taste this steak sandwich. So on here we got the Havarti cheese, we got ciabatta bread, we got the arugula, the caramelized onions that we use the sugar spice with, and the dressed it all up with the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce.